If you want to make money on YouTube with affiliate marketing, watch this entire video. I'm going to be upfront. I'm not going to sell you anything. I'm not going to give you some lame tactic that I've never tried. This is exactly how I've made money on YouTube for 10 years. YouTube is my sole source of income. This is all I do. I make videos. There's so many strategies going around right now, especially with AI, faceless channels and doing this and doing that. That doesn't work. Everybody's trying it because they don't want to put any effort into it. Oh, I'll plug something into an AI machine, make a 2-minute video that nobody's going to watch and post it on YouTube. It might have worked for a couple people, but there is so many people trying to do it now that it's just saturated. Nobody's watching it. I mean, you might have tried it. It's not working. So anyway, I'm not going to give you any of that crap. I'm going to give you the truth, okay? So here is my YouTube channel analytics screen. And this is the last year. In the last year, I've gotten 55,000 views. Now, that's not viral, right? But with what I do, you don't have to go viral. You just have to constantly make video consistently, okay? It's not like a one and done thing. You make a video once a week, a couple times a week, once a day if you can. But you just make videos, short little 10-minute, 12-minute videos, all right? I've got 5.1 thousand hours of watch time. I've picked up almost 1,000 new subscribers, and I've made $1,000 in YouTube ad revenue. Be fair, I just turned my ads back on like 2 or 3 months ago. So I only make $200 or $300 a month from ads. But all my money comes from affiliate links in my video. So how do I do that, right? What am I doing to make money on here? Be honest, I make product review videos. Now, you might think when I say that, oh, he's making Amazon videos, Amazon affiliate. No. You're not going to make any money doing that unless you have a website or a YouTube channel that's just getting tens of thousands of views, hundreds of thousands of views a month, right? Because Amazon pays so little on products that you're not making any money, right? You might sell a book for $18 and you're going to get pennies, right? It's not worth it. So what I do is I make content around digital products, software, courses, those kind of things. And why do I do that? Because I can make a lot of money with a lot less views. Because software will often pay you 20, 30% recurring every month on everybody you sign up. So if it's $100 a month, they might pay you $30 a month affiliate commission for every single month that person signed up for that software. That's good money. So if it's a year, you've made $300. If it's 2 years, $600. And you sign up person after person after person and make that money. I also promote digital courses. Why? Because the creators of those digital courses will often pay you half to promote their thing. So if it's $500, you make $250. If it's $1,000, you make $500. You get the point. It's good money. You have to sell a lot of books on Amazon to make that kind of money with just one sale of a digital course. It's easy to do. You get a screen recorder like I'm using right now. You sign up for the affiliate program of a digital product, a digital course, and you make a review video. You can buy it and sign up for it. You can do the free trial, right? It doesn't cost you anything. It's easy to do. Having a YouTube channel is free, right? So if you can make videos like this, you can make money. You don't even have to show your face, right? You can show the screen and just talk. One of my biggest videos ever didn't even have my face on the screen. It was just me reviewing a web page and it got 40,000 views. So you can do this. And if you want to learn to do this and you want me to go step by step on how to do it, I want you to join my Facebook group. It's called Beach Bum University. It's my affiliate marketing group. And I will show you step by step how to do this. You can come in there, you can talk to me, you can ask me questions. This is easy to do. There's nothing to buy. I'm not selling a course. I'm just showing you how to do it. I want to teach people how to do it. So join my group. I'm going to show you step by step how to do what I do to make a lot of money on YouTube so you can change things for you, so you can change your life. I'll talk to you soon. I'll see you in the group. Click the link.